Good morning. It says here, alcohol kills more teenagers than all other drugs combined. Do you know that alcohol can also poison a person? There are people who are allergic to alcohol. So alcohol is the most commonly abused substance and the third most commonly cause of death in many places around. It's not confined to one country if we're talking in general population in a macro scale. Young people who drink alcohol are 7 to 5 times more likely to use other illegal drugs and 50 times more likely to use illicit drugs than younger people who never drink. 13 years old is the average age when children experiment with drugs and alcohol. So check on your children all the time. Talk openly about drugs and alcohol. Take good care out there. Seek help.